everyone, welcome back to my channel. A few months ago, we went to a family friend's place for dinner and she served us the most delicious dessert. When I asked her about it, she told me this was her go-to dessert when she had guests come over. She calls this her lazy daisy cake, and she was gracious enough to share the recipe with me, and I'll be sharing it with you all today. Before we get started, let's take a moment to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified anytime a new video comes up. Now let's get started. Okay everyone, this is everything you're going to need to make the lazy daisy cake. The cake is executed in two parts, the cake base as well as the topping, so we'll tackle each step one at a time. The cake base can be done using both a hand mixer or a stand mixer. A stand mixer is the easier way to execute it because you can put the ingredients in the bowl and walk away for a few minutes and come back. The only difference with a hand mixer is that you will need to be by the bowl the entire time that it's mixing. Beat 2 eggs well first, then add 1 cup of sugar using your hand mixer in a medium bowl. You're going to beat this until it's thick and the egg sugar mixture has significantly lightened and changed in color. The egg sugar mixture you're going to be mixing for about 10 minutes. You'll know it's done when you see it double in volume and lighten in color by almost half. Next, you're going to add the vanilla and briefly mix that into the sugar egg mixture. In a separate bowl, you're going to sift 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a dash of salt. Mix that together and put aside. Heat half a cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of butter for approximately 1 minute in the microwave. You want it to feel warm but not hot. You're going to alternate the flour and milk mixture into the egg, sugar, vanilla mixture, alternating and mix well by hand until it's just combined. In addition to greasing your pan, I like to also line it with some parchment paper to make sure you can pull it out easily before you put the topping on. Let it cool, remove the parchment, and then move on to the topping. Make the topping on the stovetop in a small or medium pot. You're going to melt 3 tablespoons of salted butter, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cream. Bring to a boil for 1 minute. Then add 1.5 cups of shredded coconut and combine to mix. I've done this recipe with both sweetened coconut and unsweetened coconut. Both recipes do work out well, however, the unsweetened makes more of a dry topping, whereas the sweetened almost becomes a bit of a caramelized, sweet, sticky topping. Once you've removed it from the oven, let it cool, and you're done. Another BFF tip is that this recipe doubles and even triples really nicely.